In prime-time news this evening, JLP increases lead over the opposition PNP, the results of the RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll. PNP promises to outline plans to transform the lives of Jamaicans in manifesto. And the JLP promises free coronavirus vaccine for all.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What are your thoughts on how the election campaign has been going in light of the COVID-19 pandemic?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.